Welcome, welcome, welcome. As you're aware by now, in physics and most of science, there's always more than one route to a same answer, so having multiple perspectives is useful. And I believe this question gives us another one. The statement reads, derive the Lorentz force law as follows. Let charge Q be at rest in S bar, so F bar equal Q E bar, and let S bar move with velocity V equal Vx hat with respect to S. Use the transformation rules to rewrite F bar in terms of F and E bar in terms of E and B. From these, deduce the formula for F in terms of E and B. So now we just get to test out how well we know the transformation rules. Let's get started. All right. First thing is to note that this is a particular case where we have a special case where a particle is at rest in S. So we know that the transformation rules is F bar for perpendicular is equal to 1 over gamma of the untransformed perpendicular fields, and parallel equals parallel. So in this case, though, the particle is at rest in S bar, so we kind of have to flip these things. So we see how the flip happens, and we need to be careful. Again, that just changes which side gets the 1 over gamma. So let's be aware there. If that's the case, we have F bar equal Q E bar, which yields Fx equal Fx bar, which is equal to Q Ex, and then Y is the gamma gamma, and then we have Z gamma, and then push that through. The transformation rules state that f of x is equal to q ex. So if we plug those in with the fy and fz transformation rules, we see that we get the gammas canceling pretty good, and we're left with q ey minus v bz, and we see that we have fz when the gammas cancel yields a q ez plus vby. Again, these are all the transformation rules that we had labeled in the section. But here we know that v cross b is equal to negative v bz y hat plus v by z hat. So we can in fact conclude that we have q acting on ex, ey, and ez. So we have q vector e. And then we have the minus z v plus v by and 0 here on the x because cross product in the x direction yields 0. So we're left with v cross b, and we get the same thing just under a different perspective, and we show again that the transformation rules actually do work, and we're good to go.